filled, and boom, straight 2R. Easy mechanical rules. Okay, so here we made plus 2R. Whenever we are win, we will make 2R, and whenever we are lose, we will lose -1. This is the mathematical edge in trading. Let me show you more examples. Let the probabilities play out. This is where people get panic and gold or any pair did thing like this. Take deeper retracement, guys. Listen, you need to take the heat to win the trade. Okay, sometimes you get the perfect entry, sometimes you won't. Perfection does not exist in trading. It's a probability game. We are just playing. So let your edge play out completely. Then you will win the trade. And boom, 2R. Here target simple 2R. Easy, guys. Let the probabilities play out. Okay, and don't overthink when price just keep going and you say, oh, I should catch 5R, 6R. No, guys, your job as a trader is to just take a piece of move. Alright, you cannot. Hi everyone, I am Harsh, and today in this video I am gonna teach you the simple and easiest trading strategy, and you don't need any kind of daily bias or multiple time frames. We will only use one single time frame so that you won't get confused. It's very easy. Let me show you. So first understand what is this strategy. In this strategy we need 3 conditions which market fulfill so we can place our trades. Number 1, we need a liquidity sweep. Number 2, after liquidity sweep we need displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is an aggressive move which left fair value gap when make market structure shift. Okay, and number 3, double break of a structure like this. This is first break, this is double break. So these 3 are our criterias, and we will trade after that. And in this we will only use 1 hour time frame. That's it. It's very simple. You just need to check one time frame. You don't need any kind of daily bias. You just need these 3 checklists so you can easily make money. Alright, so let me explain you in theory first, then I will show you examples on the real chart. Let's understand bullish example. So here market was down and it swapped liquidity, made one shift, made another shift. This condition we need, and after that we will set our trade below this level of the double break. Why? Because that double break was a trap. In this support and resistance, traders take entry there, they place their stops here. Trendline traders place their stops here. So this is a trap, and we set our entry on the trap, and this was our stop, and we will target 1:2. Simple, easy strategy with pure mechanical rules, no discretion needed. Simplest. Again, bearish example, price took buy side liquidity, made a displacement, made double break. We will set our entry here, stop here, target 2R. Simple. So this is the strategy on the theory. It's simple. Let me explain once again. Trend was down, price came up, price took liquidity, made a displacement, made a double break. We set our entry here, target 2R. Simple. Boom, trade done. For bearish side, price was up, price took buy side liquidity, made single shift, made double break. We set our entry here, boom, 2R done. Easy. Okay, this is our sweep, this is our displacement, this is our double break, this level is trap, entry set it on trap, boom, TP. Liquidity sweep, displacement, double break, entry set it on trap, boom, TP. So this is the theory. Now let me show you on the real charts so you will get the real clarity. Make sure these 3 checklists are very important: liquidity sweep, displacement, double break of a structure, and the time frame we are going to use is 1 hour. Okay, so let me show you examples on the chart. Okay, so this is our gold chart. Here we have 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So what price did? Price is down, 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 and decently break this structure. Okay, this is what price did. Price grab liquidity, made a shift. Okay, so here is the shift, then a false break means double break. We will set our entry exactly at that double break, stop here, some buffer, and we will target straight 2R. Okay, we don't use any kind of trail SL or anything, just straight SL or DP. Now after that, let's see what gold did. Again I am showing you, here is the liquidity sweep, here is the displacement with fair value gap as you can see, and here is the double break. Alright, we set our entry above. Now let's see what gold did. Price filled and boom, straight 2R. Easy mechanical rules. Okay, so here we made plus 2R. Whenever we are win, we will make 2R, and whenever we are lose, we will lose -1. This is the mathematical edge in trading. Let me show you more examples. So guys, here is the bullish example. Here gold took the liquidity. Alright, sell side liquidity, made a displacement. How we know it is displacement? It left the FVG, means fair value gap. Alright, good. After that, price made a double break. Okay, so where we will set our entry? Exactly below this level. This would be our stop loss. We will target 2R. Simple mechanical strategy. No need to use your brain. Okay, let the probabilities play out. This is where people get panic. Gold or any pair did thing like this. Take deeper retracement, guys. Listen, you need to take the heat to win the trade. Okay, sometimes you get the perfect entry, sometimes you won't. Perfection does not exist in trading. It's a probability game. We are just playing. So let your edge play out completely, then we will run the trade and boom, 2R done. So far we made 4R plus 2R plus 2R. Okay, let's see some more examples so you will get the complete clarity. So here is the another example. Here gold sweep sell side liquidity, made a displacement with fair value gap, made a double break where we will set our entry exactly below this level. Stop here, target simple 2R. Easy guys, let the probabilities play out. Okay, and don't overthink when price just keep going and you say, oh, I should catch 5R 6R. No guys, your job as a trader is to just take a piece of move. Alright, you cannot catch perfect entry, perfect exist, it does not matter. So let me show you one more example before we end this video. Now here is the another example. Gold swept sell side liquidity, made a displacement with fair value gap. Guys, fair value gap is compulsory. That's why I didn't say any kind of market structure shift. We need displacement, we need aggressive push. Why? Because it indicates that institutions are active, that smart money is active, that market makers are active, because only market makers can make this type of aggressive moves. Alright, so here we have displacement, second break, which we know is fake. So we will set our entry where? Below this level. Here we set, this is our SL. Now this got liquidated because of Monday opening, but if you have kept buffer, this would not hit. Okay, but we will take it as a -1. However, the trade works if you just keep the buffer. And anyways, let's get transparent and we will assume it as -1. So far we made +2 and -1R. Okay, so this is the A plus setups, and again you won't get these type of conditions every day. Why? Because this is A plus setup and we are using 1 hour time frame. This strategy work on every time frame, 1 minute to 1 week, because time frames are fractal, it does not matter. But why we are using 1 hour? Because the higher the time frame, the higher the probability that trade will work out. Okay, you can also use 15 minute, 30 minute, but the problem with those lower time frames that you will get more SLs, and there is a high chance that you will make reckless decisions and you will overtrade. That's why I kept it simple and using 1 hour. Again, if you want more type of precision, you can use 4 hour, 2 hour, but again 1 hour is the optimal time frame. Here you clear read, order flow and easy understanding of structure. The problem with 4 hour, it compress data too much, so there are more inside bars and you won't get any type of clarity on the structures. Where is break and displacement? It's more like price compress too much and give just candles. So that's why 1 hour is the sweet spot. You can use 1 hour. I have back tested 1 hour. It is the perfect time frame. Again back test this strategy and see how much accurate this is. So what is the logic behind our strategy? The logic is simple. Any strategy is a high probability after a liquidity sweep. Any entry is a high probability after a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep means trap, because trading is a zero sum game. When someone loses, someone wins. It is that simple. Our strategy is very logical. When price swapped liquidity and made a displacement, we are not doing anything on first shift. Why? Because price can completely going down or completely going up. Who knows? Nobody knows. Then we wait for another break. Now this another break is false. Why it is false? Because support resistance traders taking entry here, breakout traders taking entry here, trendline traders taking entry here. So it means there is shit ton of liquidity on this level, and because we trade smart money concept, we set our entry below this level. So their stop loss is our entry. That's why this strategy works, and it is A plus setup literally. Liquidity grab, displacement, double shift, boom, entry below this level, TP. That's why you won't get these type of setups every day. You will get average 1 to 2 trades per week, but this is a really high probability trades, and you will actually see some progress in your trading account. Now this is a gold chart, this is a live chart, no back testing. Now price what it, liquidity sweep, shift, false break. See what gold did. Gold trap those traders. Okay, so now we can take trade here, but we can't because the stop loss would get too long and risk reward is not matching. So now what we will do, we will wait for realignment and all of that stuff. So let's summarize the video. We need 3 checklist. Checklist number 1, liquidity sweep, done. Again checklist number 2, displacement. Number 3, double break of structure, which is we know fake structure, and then we will set our entry below that level, stop as a swing low, target 2 hour. Simple strategy. It works on all time frame, but I personally suggest you to use 1 hour. Back test this strategy and see the performance of it. So guys, if you loved my content and you want more type of these video, please subscribe the channel and leave a comment. This motivates me, this costs you nothing, and suggest me some more topics in future you need. Thank you for watching.